I'm going to present you today an interesting project. Orbital. So let's get started. So yeah, friends, this is an interesting project that I wanted to show you today. This 360 LED bulb, as you can see, it's got 3 speeds, full power on, dim, and flashing as well. And this one can be mounted on any surface. You got this two-sided sticky tape. You got this hole if you want to plug it in, and on this side, inside this thingy, there is a magnet as well, and you can attach it to any metal surface. Alrighty then. Now is a standard thing. Let us open this one to see how it's gonna stick there. So this is the back pad of the thingy. I'm gonna try to open it up, if we're gonna succeed. Just is popping out. You have to spread these sides and then tilt it a little bit. So here you go. Inside this casing there is a metal casing all over the sides, which is expandable as well. And this one gives the LED cob a 360 kinda movement on all over the sides. Alright. And inside this thingy there is a magnet, which this one sticks to the thing, so this is the maximum, and here you go, all this tilting position that you can make and adjust your thingies. Alright. Let's have a look to see. It's powered by 3 small AA batteries, so nothing fancy there. But the thing that intrigues me the most is that we can make something to make this one rechargeable. Quite intrigued to see if it's gonna be able to fit some 18650 cell inside here. So not quite. We have to tear it apart. Alright, so let's proceed to open this 360 LED bulb. It's easy to do it. You'll need a Phillips, but I think I'm gonna need to change the tip. Yeah, that's better. We just changed the tip, so now we're gonna unscrew these 3 screws. Very easy to do, so nothing special there. Alright, we have managed to unscrew all this stuff, and then we're gonna remove the thingy. Here you go, it's got nothing. Here you go, inside the thing. It's got just 2 wires coming from this battery, a switch, and this is the cob thingy on this plastic. So this is plastic thing, so this is the cob, friends, this is it. So I'm guessing now, let's see, if this and this, it will. Still is not enough. Damn it. So yeah, this stuff is not gonna fit, no matter how you're gonna try to arrange it. But instead of this 18650 cell, you can try to plug in old phone battery. That's as well a rechargeable battery, lithium ion, so you can have your functional thing. This one, this tiny board, is nothing much to tell about it, but the cob inside there is very interesting. So if you wanna use it on something else, yeah, definitely we have to do something with that tiny cob inside there. But in the meanwhile, we're gonna screw it back together, and we're gonna test it into the night to see how it's gonna tilt and how it's gonna perform. Now I'm gonna put the batteries inside there to test it if it's still working, which it should. Yeah, that's the thing. We're gonna connect this thingy. Which one? Oh, this one was like so. That's it. Something is wrong inside here. Needs a little bit of glue gun to fix it in place. We might drop it a couple of times, so And oh yeah, that's why, man. You see, have to put them back together exactly as they were. Here comes one, and that's it. It's not gonna wobble. Here you go. Let's test it into the night, and we'll be back.